and we're going to multiply by another two-digit number. Let's call it 37. Okay, once again, in expanded form. If we were to write the 53 in expanded form, it would look like this. 50 plus 3. If we were to expand 37, it would look like 30, because the value of 3 is in the tens place. That'd make it 30, and 7 in the ones place is a 7. So, the first thing you have to do is you are going to multiply 53 times 7, the ones place, okay? So, if we do that, 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 3 is 21. But now we have to carry the 2 to the tens place, because 21, the 2 is in the tens place, so that's why we put it there. Now we multiply 7 times 5, because there's a 0. 7 times 5 is 35. Add the 0. So it's 350 plus 21. Here, what we would do is 7 times 5. We go this way, because we got to multiply the ones place to the tens place. 7 times 5 is 35. Then add 2, 36, 37. 3 goes in the hundreds place. 7 goes in the tens place. You want to keep it all nice and neat when you do it the shortcut way. And if we add these two together, 1 plus 0 is 1 in the ones place. 2 in the tens plus 5 in the tens is 7. And 2, oh, there's nothing in the hundreds place, plus 3 is 371. We got the exact same answer. Now, this is where kids get confused. I always ask them, what are we going to multiply 53 by again? And they will say 3. It's not 3. Where is the 3 located? The 3 is located in the tens place. So what is the value of this 3? It would be 30. So now what we're doing, let's see if I can change the color here. No, I better not. What we're doing now is this. We are taking 50 plus 3 and multiplying it by 30. Each number by 30. So, if we multiply 3 by 30, I know it's upside down, so if you want to do it this way, that's fine as well. Again, there's a 0, so all you have to do is what's 3 times 3? That's 9. Add the 0. That's 90. Now, the shortcut way is, so we don't have to be asking what's 30 times 3. What we do with the 0 is that we automatically, let me try that again. There's the 3. Oh, I can't get, there we go. Okay, so let me try that again. Trying to understand the software too. Okay, so we automatically put it right here. So we can say now, what's 3 times 3? And it is 9. See how we got 90? We got 90. Now, we go to this next number. We're going to take 30 and times it by 50. What's 3 times 5? 15. This is also a shortcut way. And add the 2 zeros. We say the same thing here. I'm going to erase the 2 so I don't use it again. We had to use it when we multiplied 53 times 7. So what is 5 times 3? Or 3 times 5? It is 15. Now, when we add these two together, there's zeros in the ones place. There is a 0 plus a 9 in the tens place. That would make it 9. There's nothing in the hundreds place, plus the 5 in the hundreds place. 5 plus 0 is 5. And of course, there's nothing in the thousands place over here, but there's a 1, which makes it that. So this is the product of when we multiply 53 times 30. That's a 0. And here's 1,590 here. Whenever you have two digits, if you have 2 digits down here, you're going to have 2 rows to add. If you have 3 digits down here, you're going to have 3 rows to add. And if you have 4 digits on the bottom of the factor that you're multiplying, then you're going to have 4 rows to add as long as you have 4 up here. So 2 by 2, you're going to have 2 rows. 3 by 3, you're going to have 3 rows to add. 4 by 4, 4-digit number times the 4-digit numbers, you're going to have 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows. So now we add them. Here, remember, this is the longer way. The shortcut way is much easier, but you have to understand what you're doing mathematically so you know how to multiply. 1 plus 0 is 1. 7 plus 9 is 16. Carry the 1 to the hundreds place. 3 plus 5 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. And 1 plus u, or 0, nothing, is 1. And my answer is 1,961. If I go here, 1 plus 0 is 1. 9 plus 7 is 16. Carry the 1 to the hundreds place. 5 plus 3 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. And 1 plus nothing is 1. And I get the same answer of 1,960. And that's how you multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number.